What's up, my YT homies? What it do, and what it do. So what's up, it's your girl Alethea coming back in with another video, and I'm not going to sit up here with a long drawn out intro. You already know what this is. This is another look using nothing but, see how y'all always got a trip, 95% of Fenty products. How about that? Using 95% of Fenty products, since y'all want to call me out on the fact there are some items that I still don't have. Like, y'all ain't even got a trip. But anyway, I am going to be using the number 6. I don't know why I'm going through all this because I tell y'all this in the video, but either way it goes, it's the number 6 Snap Shadow Palette. It is the Smoky Palette. So if you want to see how I created this smoky eye look, then please continue to watch. So no, your eyes are not deceiving you. Okay, let's try this again. So, no, your eyes are not deceiving you. I'm coming back again with my face undone, except this time I've already done my eyebrows and they're not looking like I want them to look, but every day can't be a good brow day, right? Right. So I am coming back at you with another Fenty face, okay? And the reason why I wanted to do another Fenty face is because your girl has another Fenty palette. And when I tell y'all, I'm scared of this bad baby. I'm not even gonna lie, I am scared of this. So this is one of the Snap Shadow Mix and Match eyeshadow palettes from Fenty. Here's the box and here's the shadows, right? So it's the number 6 palette, and this is the, which one is this? The Smoky palette. This is the Smoky palette. Number 6 is the Smoky. It says super rich color, easy to blend, palette snap together, pair your faves. So you can get one for $25 or two for $45 by saving $5. However, I didn't do that because when I went to the store, I was using a gift card I had, and I got some other things. We're not gonna talk about that right now. A haul is coming. But what I did and what made me choose, let me tell y'all what made me choose to get this palette, because I do not have another smoky palette other than the Urban Decay Smoky palette, because I'm not one of those girls that run towards smoky palettes, because a dark smoky eye, I'm not gonna lie, I just kind of run away from. But I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm expanding. I'm trying to do other things. So I am totally here for it. So let's look at what this palette looks like. This is what it looks like. And let's see. How did the colors go? So this is Tan Lines, You Up, Patty Cakes, Chestnut, Second Date, That Deep. So the way the colors are on the back, it can get confusing when you're looking at it from a certain angle. So let's go ahead and prime the lids, and y'all already know I'm using my Fenty 350 to conceal, prime, prep, prime, whatever, however you want to say it, to get my lids together. Yeah. I was finna write a song, but how I've been hella stressed. So the reason I chose to come in with this one without my face being done is because I don't know what this fallout game is going to be like. So Tan Lines and Chestnut almost look just alike, but I'm going to go into the crease with Tan Lines, this one right here. I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got. Now that I do my face first, it kind of feels weird doing it this way versus the way I normally, because that's my normal now. So I'm just gonna take this up just a little bit higher, making sure to blend that color in. All right, so let's hit this brow bone, and for my brow bone, I'm going to take this color You Up right here. So bump all the anxiety, but you hit to the side of me. All right, and then I'm gonna go back in with this brush. I'm not adding any more product to it. I'm just going to blend those two together. All right, so now let's darken up the crease a bit, and we're going to take this color Chestnut right here and darken up the crease a little bit more. I feel like I'm gliding, and honestly, look, I don't see, it doesn't look like I'm getting fallout, but due to the fact that there's a little bit of residual here on the pan, I don't know if you can see that, but right over here, there's a little bit of residual there. I'm going to take that and just use that to put over here. So because of that, there's a possibility I could have fallout coming out. And it doesn't mean that, I mean, I'm not saying that the fallout has to be a whole lot, but it could be. All right, and so then I'm going to go back in with this brush without adding any product and make sure I have this seamless transition between these colors. All right, and now I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit scared.
Damn.
Is it that serious?
It's that serious.
Let me brace myself. I'm going to go in with that deep, this one right here, and I'm just going to put it over here in this outer V.
What you saying that you had a better chance without me? That you wish you had made plans without me?
What are y'all thinking? And let me just, I don't want to go too far with that. I want to just stay over here in this area with it. So I'm just going to use that to buff that out instead of taking that brush and going in, because if I take that brush, then too much color will get deposited there, and I don't want that to happen. So now let's see, what are we gonna do with the lid? So what do y'all think? Should we go in with patty cakes or second dates? Patty cakes or second date? Let's go in with patty cakes.
I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call.
All right, so I think I want to go in. I want, let me see something. I think I want to go in the inner corner with You Up, the same one that I used on the brow bone. So I'm gonna see how You Up is right up in here.
I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss.
So when I went to the store, they didn't have many of these palettes. They had this one and then a rose one and then the #1 neutral and the #2 neutral. And I started to get the rose one, but then I said, no, that's something that I would go for typically anyway. Let me go outside my box for a minute. So that's what made me choose this one right here. What I'm going to do, because I feel like it needs a little bit more, I'm going to take Second Date. I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger and just pop it on top.
Tell me what it is, tell me what it is.
To kind of put that glitter on top of that purple. Definitely a smoky eye. Now what I can tell you is, from what I'm seeing so far, I'm feeling it. Am I feeling it like, okay, this is a palette I would use all the time by itself? No. I would definitely want to use this palette in conjunction with something else. So I'm going to go back into the inner corner because I think the inner corner needs a little bit more, but not before I go ahead and do my face. So what am I going to prime with? You guys already know. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and use my Instant Retouch primer, the very first primer that Fenty came out with. I'm going to use this one.
Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate.
All right, so what foundation are we using? Say it with me, boys and girls. This is the end of this. I gotta open my other one. 360 and 385, yay! 360 is done. I have another one, so no fret, no worries.
Dudes looking far back, kidding and killing, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me.
All right, so I put my concealer down and I am going to add my contour. Y'all know what it is. Truffle. Yep, your girl is sticking with the truffle. Now I do have mocha, but I haven't used mocha yet. I think I'll take mocha since I don't use it and see how it would be to contour my nose. Let's see if that'll work on my nose, on my nostrils. But this concealer, actually, I have never used it on my channel since I got it. So I'm going to have to tell y'all about it or use it in another video that is not a full face that I can tell y'all what it is.
But I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call.
Right, so now I'm going to blend it in.
Pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
All right, and tonight, because I want to highlight, I did put on the other one I have of that concealer. So y'all will think that as much as my phone rings, I have like a lot of people that call me. But no, nope. It's either going to be my daughter and my mom, or it's going to be P. Now, I do have one friend. Well, I have more than one friend, but I'm just saying I do have one friend that calls me on a regular basis. And so we talk a lot. So I do have that one friend that will call me on a regular basis. But other than that, it is always more than likely when my phone rings while I'm recording, it's going to be my mom, my daughter, or P. Okay, y'all, so I now know why I only use that concealer a couple of times, and that is because it does not work. It does not work when I set it. So y'all, I had to go off, take my concealer off, and redo the whole. It was a mess. It was a mess. So for this look, do you think I should do the toned down lashes or the all out glamour lashes? Yeah, I agree with y'all. Let's do the glamour lashes for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. I'm not going to line it all the way across. I'm just going to go a little bit in, and then I'm going to put mascara on. I'm not going to do the all out. I'll just show you what I'm doing in a minute.
When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
I just put a little bit of black liner in the corner, and I tight lined. That's why my eyes are kind of red right now. And Rich Roots, girl, I forgot to tell you, I did line my lid with the Fly Liner by Fenty. So yes, she's still kicking, girl. She's still kicking. So on the part that I put the liner on, I'm going to take this black shade, and what did I call it again? What did I say it was called again? That Deep. This one right here. I'm going to take this one, and I'm just going to buff this out. And that is it. I'm not going to go all the way in. I just want that, and then I'm going to put mascara on. I'm going to put the lashes on, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back to finish this face. I've been gone, well, y'all don't know it, but about 30-45 minutes. Allergies on fleek and all that kind of good jazz. So for the blush, let's see. No. I got a bronze first. I don't know what I'm thinking about. So of course, y'all already know we're gonna hit it up with the Coconati. Yes, I do have another one. I don't know where I put it at, but I do have a smaller size one, the one that's right before Coconati. I do have that one. Forget what it's called, but I do have that one. And this one right here, as y'all can see, this one right here, I have to really buff this in because it is a bit dark for me. But it works out. It's okay. So as long as I buff it in right, so I'm going to buff it in just a moment. But as long as I buff it in good, I'm good to go. So it's the other one that is like perfect for my complexion. I'm going to find it in a minute. So I have to go and buff this one in to get it to not be so out there. Especially here. Now on my cheeks, I don't mind it, but on my forehead, it just looks like a blotch of brown. You know what I mean? So I have to be very careful with that and make sure I blend that in. See, try to get that seamless blend to get that in there. Because otherwise, it'll just look crazy. This brush right here is like one of my favorite brushes. Sometimes I tell myself, no, don't buy things. You don't have to buy everything you see. And I don't. I'm just joking about that. But I definitely don't buy everything that I see people use. But
baby, I just wanted to tell you your video is great. And if I had seen your hair down, I would have said, baby, leave it down. It's thebomb.com. Thank you very much. That's all I wanted to say. Okay, you see somebody commented and said it looked good down. Oh, they did? Yes. Oh, okay. It did. It really looked beautiful. Okay. I like it when it's crinkly curly. Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.
That was P calling about my hair. She just watched my video and she was letting me know that she liked my hair when it was down, because in the video that I just uploaded, the 3-in-1, by the time y'all see this, it'll be a few days, because today is Monday. I'll probably upload this on Wednesday or Friday. I'm not going to do like an everyday upload this week. And y'all, this is a summertime wine, and y'all already know, what do I do when I put the cream on? I just pat my brush over. All right, so let's see what we're gonna use for highlight. I just used the Ginger Binge. I recently used the Trophy Wife. I also just used the Cognac Candy. I gotta have another highlighter from Fenty. I know I did. All right, so I have these smaller ones, and I have Sandcastle and Hustler Baby. So I think I'm going to use Sandcastle. Yeah, I don't use this one that often. I'm heavy-handed sometimes, and I was just then. So I gotta make sure the other side matches and be heavy-handed on the other side as well.
I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your
Set it up.
house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm.
I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Oh my gosh. It smells so... Let me just spray a little bit more. Whew.
When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
I'll just spray this for the smell. Oh my God. I love it, love it, love it. All right, so for lipstick tonight, we are going to use... Oh gosh, what color is this? Okay, Flamingo Acid. This is one of the little small sizes. So...
Whenever you call.
I didn't want to use a liquid lipstick tonight, so...
When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm.
I don't have a liner. So this lipstick is going to serve as my lipstick and liner.
When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So in the middle of this, I want to put... I can't see this color, but... this one right here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was finna write a song about how I've been hella stressed, but I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding, and honestly, look, I don't...
All right, you guys, so I am back with the finished look, and I must just say I am very, very pleased with the way it came out. Y'all, this necklace is like really long, so I'm trying to make it sit up here, so that's why I keep moving it. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you like the way the look came out. If you have not subscribed, then what are you waiting on? I mean, like, girl, like what is it that you want me to do? Do I need to go out there and jump through some hoops? I mean, girl, child, I'm sick of this. Just go ahead and just like, why this necklace won't let me be great? Why won't this necklace let me be great? It's a hater. It is a hater. A whole hater. Anyway, me and my hater are going to go ahead and get out of here. But before I go, I want to ask you to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, like, comment, share this video across all of your social media sites. And so until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.